Hi, this is Rubel from Tech Review. Today I am here to discuss about the new generation of Dell Inspiron 3501. This laptop came with Intel 10th generation Core i3 processor, 4GB of RAM, 1TB hard drive. Also Core i5 is available in this model. It is only 2.2 kg and its dimension 0.71 to 0.78 by 14.3 by 9.80 inches. The processor name of this laptop, Intel Core i3-10005G1. This processor base frequency 1.20 GHz, max turbo frequency 3.40 GHz, 4 cores, 8 threads, TDP 15W, and lithography 10 nanometers. The new Dell Inspiron notebook line is equipped with a 15.6-inch display with 45% coverage of the NTSC color space, and a brightness of 220 nits. The screen resolution in different assemblies is 1366 by 768, TN plus film, or 1920 by 1080, IPS display. In the second case, the screen can also be touch sensitive. And it is covered by a two-side narrow bezel, which gives it a great look on this laptop. By the way, it is designed with carbon fiber silver color chassis. It has a US layout designed black color keyboard with number pad and backlight. Each key on the keyboard has enough distance, and has flexibility in each key so that it will give you a great typing experience. And because of the backlight, you can type very well in the darkness. It has a 720p HD webcam, which is very frustrating because of its poor resolution. But still, you can take the picture, record the video, and video conferencing. Most of the ports are located on the left side of the device. USB-C with a data transfer rate of 5 gigabits per second, HDMI video output, RJ45, to USB 3.2 and a combined audio output. On the right is a card reader and USB 2.0. The laptop supports up to 16 gigabytes of DDR4, dual-channel RAM, as well as M.2 PCIe SSD up to 512 gigabytes, which can be combined with up to 2 terabytes HDDs. A 3-cell battery with a capacity of 42 Wh is responsible for the autonomous operation of the device, which is charged from a 45W or 65W power adapter. 15 inches laptop with high performance and responsiveness in a sleek, double-sided narrow bezel design, with optional PCIe SSD, express charge technology and Intel Core processors. High storage capacity. Optional PCIe NVMe SSD are faster, quieter and more shock-resistant than traditional hard drives. Plus, with the optional dual-drive configuration, you can benefit from both SSDs in terms of performance and hard drives in terms of capacity. 10th Gen Intel processors provide a wide range of multimedia options for entertainment and fun all day long. With them, you can read, watch videos and photos, listen to music, stream and learn. Combined with up to 16 gigabytes DDR4 memory, you can easily multitask and switch between open applications. The Inspiron 3000 is 9.42% lighter than the previous generation, so you can take it with you wherever you go. Enjoy increased screen real estate with a narrow double-sided bezel for a wide view. The sleek, narrow bezel display with HD or Full HD resolution and anti-reflective coating delivers crisp, bright images that are pleasing to watch. Simplicity and reliability. An optional Windows Hello-enabled fingerprint reader lets you easily and securely sign in with one touch. Dell Cinema. Create your own ideal cinema experience with Dell Cinema technology for stunning color, incredible audio and video streaming. The optional backlit keyboard allows you to work in any light. Connect your TV or monitor via HDMI, download photos using the SD card slot, and enjoy high transfer speeds from all your accessories thanks to two USB 3.2 Gen 1 ports. Thanks to the numeric keypad, You can plan expenses and do calculations in the blink of an eye. Nature as a source of inspiration. Add natural colors to your daily routine with soothing color options such as accent black and soft mint 1. Stay connected and don't get distracted. Stay focused on tasks by interacting with your phone directly from your Dell PC. You can easily make calls, send messages and receive notifications. Convenient file transfer. You can move files, photos, videos, music and documents between your PC and smartphone without the hassle of cables or cloud storage services. Mirror device to PC. Project the screen content of your Android or iOS device and run applications on your PC. Your phone connects to your PC using a secure point-to-point connection using Dell Mobile Connect technology, so your data isn't compromised by unsecured internet connections. This laptop has no dedicated graphics card, but it has an integrated graphics card which is built in with the processor. For this reason you can't play heavy games, but you can play light games.